Hello, myself Sunil Ramakrishna. Here basically we are discussing about the one topic that is earthquakes. One person told that basically why Switzerland basically doesn't have gets any earthquakes. Then he told that basically that we will discuss later on basically about the Switzerland basically. Then here basically we are discussing one topic that is one person told that India basically is telling that basically we have created the whole world basically, and Sanskrit and Tamil basically are those group basically too who are basically telling that they have created the whole world. So one person told that basically who created the Switzerland basically. Then he told that basically that need to investigate here basically. That basically is the reason basically Switzerland basically never earthquake basically happened. Whole world basically gets shakes basically, but Switzerland basically never happens the earthquake basically. Switzerland basically never gets the earthquake. And one person told that basically Switzerland matrix basically is directly connected with the one of the city that is Bangalore. Then basically the one person basically told basically what actually you are telling here basically you are not able to get. Then he told that that is basically the very dangerous topic basically. Then also basically I will give little bit hint basically. In this world basically assume that basically there are around 3 lakh cities. Then one person told that basically if by chance basically earthquakes happens and assume that basically there are from 3 lakh city basically there are around 3000 matrix basically. On the basis of 3000 matrix, the 3 lakh city basically got created. This is the first thing basically, right? Now basically the other thing is assume that basically 3000 matrix basically are there, and from 3000 matrix basically uh, from 3000 matrix basically the world is created, right? That is 3 lakh cities basically. Now in 3 lakh city basically in 3 lakh cities basically in 3 lakh city basically 3000 matrix has created, that is clear. Now one person told that basically how basically each and every cities basically are connected. Then he told that basically 3000 matrix are there, right? Each and every matrix basically assume that one matrix basically connects to around 500 cities. Why basically that might be created, that also basically we will discuss. And each city basically are connected with each other, right? But uh, if earthquake is basically coming to first city to second city, second city to third basically, there basically the break point is basically made. From the break point basically the matrix of the earthquake basically doesn't get spread basically. This is one thing basically. Then another thing is basically told that basically like this basically 3000 matrix basically has created. In one matrix basically 500 city basically are connected. That's why basically the earthquake basically doesn't come too much. That is basically the first thing. Then the another thing basically told that is uh, another thing basically told that is uh, 3000 matrix is there. From 3000 matrix the entire 3 lakh planet is created. Then he told that basically each matrix basically contains 500 cities. If one earthquake basically happen in one city, then it doesn't spread to another matrix basically, and it doesn't spread to 500 cities also basically. Reason the breakpoint basically has made. Then one of the person told that basically how basically a breakpoint basically can made here basically, because the air pollution sorry the air basically speed is so speed basically in the uh, in some city basically that basically doesn't breaks the matrix basically. Then the question basically was actually perfect basically. The question basically was perfect, that basically why the air basically doesn't break the break point basically. Then he told that basically air basically which gets circulates to the each and every cities basically that are created up to that level basically. Then he told that basically air basically, for example, one city basically gets data right from the power supply company. The air only basically pass the data to the each and every buildings basically. Then he told that yes, basically it's correct. Air only basically pass the data to each and every city basically. Air only basically pass the data to each and every cities basically. Then he told that yes, basically it is correct. So here also basically the air is basically created special basically if we are passing basically the power supply companies are passing the data to the power company basically, sorry, to the cities basically. Then cities basically are the power supply basically are spreading to the cities. City basically are getting basically data from the power company, and spread basically happens with the help of the air basically. And that air basically is a special air basically which is created by set of buildings also basically, you can say set of nature also basically, you can say set of basically the water also basically, special water basically, lake basically are also created for this type of energy basically. So like this basically many things basically are there. So like this he told that basically like this basically things are also basically there. Now in this basically the thing basically was the chain basically doesn't gets break basically, and few air basically gets the break chain also basically. Why basically I will tell you basically. One person told that basically 3000 metrics are there. Per matrix basically 500 matrix basically, sorry, 500 city basically gets connects. 500 city basically gets connects. 500 city basically gets connects with the each and every chain. Each and every chain basically are connected, but it can be break basically with the special basically air basically which is created. Reason basically earthquake basically happens, then basically you have to break the chain basically. So after breaking the chain basically the earthquake doesn't happen basically. There basically the problem basically one of the person told that basically if the earthquake basically gets break, then basically what are the impact in the environment basically. Then he told that basically that need to identify, that need to do R&D basically, you can say that need to do R&D basically, because this type of concept basically is already created. But earthquake basically is happening with the hell of happening basically, that is a natural process, right? If you are process stopping that basically, that means some side effect basically 100% is going to happen. Some side effect basically 100% basically is going to happen in the environment due to that earthquake basically got earthquake chain basically got broken. So like this basically that side effect also basically we are going to see basically how basically the side effects are basically, how basically the side effects are basically, up to what level the side effects goes when the earthquake basically chain gets break, and the earthquake chain basically gets break. So that basically we are going to see basically in later on video basically, that how basically the earthquake basically chain gets break basically. In next video we are going to see little bit more about this.